Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to keep your friends list private on Facebook? Great, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Step 1. Open Facebook and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. This opens your account settings where all the privacy controls live. Step 2. Look for the Privacy section in the left sidebar menu. You'll see several options here related to who can see your information. Find and click on Privacy to expand those settings. This is where the magic happens for controlling visibility. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the option that says Who can see your friends list? Click on that setting to open the visibility controls. You want to make sure you're adjusting the right permission here. Step 4. A drop-down menu will appear with different privacy options. Select Only Me if you want complete privacy, or choose Friends if you want only your friends to see the list. You can also select Custom to create specific viewing rules. Step 5. After you select your preferred privacy level, make sure to save your changes by clicking outside the menu or confirming the selection. Facebook typically autosaves, but always verify the change took effect. Now your friends list is hidden from the people you selected.